Hi, we're here at DeVry College of New York. It's February 27, 2013, and we're here with Marvin, Lily, Akeem, and Kenya, and they've designed this project, which, what's the name of this project?
The alert cane.
The Alert Cane, and what does it do?
It alerts the user of obstacles in their pathway.
So, who could use a device like this?
Somebody who's visually impaired.
Okay, so a blind person.
A blind person.
So how does it work? Like just in brief, like in a few sentences.
We use ultrasonic transducers, and that's what we use to pick up the obstacle. And once the obstacle is detected, it would send a vibration to the handle, which will warn the user of the obstacle.
So this is a vibrator right there?
Yes.
Okay, so how many vibrators do you have?
We have three.
You have three, and you have three sensors.
Right.
So it's for three angles, kind of, so you can.
Depending if it's on the left, the one on the left vibrator will vibrate, and if it's in the right.
So and these are the sensors.
Yes.
They're ultrasonic, so they send out
Sound.
Yeah,
high frequency sound.
so
And it
they
also
get-
receives it.
It receives it, and based on that, you can tell how far.
Exactly.
An object.
So it's just sensors and motors, or is there something else?
There's a microprocessor that does all
There's
the
a micro-
calculation.
and where is that?
It's inside the little orange.
It's
we put
embedded
everything
inside the base.
We use a very small one.
Okay. Yeah, but look at a picture. But what's that?
These are the two 9-8-volt batteries that we have to power up our system.
Okay, so that's the power, and that's the switch to turn it on and off.
Yes.
That's correct.
So the actual brain behind the circuit is inside the microcontroller.
It's inside.
So do you have a picture or something? Because I don't want to break this open.
No,
just to
sure. We
see
have a picture of
what
them.
it looks like.
We have a. Oops, sorry, that's it. Sorry. Here you go. We have this
So that's the
microcontroller.
microcontroller.
This is the one we started with, right? And then we ended up using this one because, as you can tell, it's a very small microcontroller, but it does everything that this one does.
And what's it called? What's the name of this microcontroller?
This one is called the Pro Micro,
Okay.
and this one is the Arduino Uno.
So you can connect the sensors and motors to this.
Yes,
Yes.
it was soldered.
And then how do you tell the microcontroller if you receive a signal, start the motor? Like how do you make that happen?
Oh, we have a program for that.
Okay, can we look at the program?
We have a little snippet of it over here, just with the main parts. Hold on. Here. We have a snippet of the program,
So
and this is
program.
basically.
Okay, so the program is the brain behind it. It senses
Right.
and then tells whether something, whether the motor should vibrate or not.
Yes.
So let's test it and see how it works. Yes, ma'am. So how do we start it?
All right,
Turn it on.
first, we have a toggle switch right here. You just turn it on, and then you feel that.
Yeah, I feel the vibration.
feel
So you put your fingers here.
Right,
So an
right.
impaired person will hold it like this.
Yes.
And depending on how close he gets to an obstacle, oh, I see.
And the intensity.
By intent, so the closer you get to the obstacle,
The harder it will
the harder.
vibrate.
Because see, right now I'm not feeling any vibration, but if I come closer to you,
Exactly.
oh, that's really good. So it's not only about whether there's a device or no device in front of it.
It's also giving the
It's also
distance.
the distance. Okay.
Correct.
So and what's the range like? See, like right now I don't feel anything.
It's about 2 and 2.5 feet.
2.5 feet. Okay. So if I come close to it,
The end of the
there you
vibrate,
go.
yes.
Yeah.
You can get a better range with better sensors.
Wow. So this is a really good device, and I'm sure it can be used in the market.
Right.
What would you say can be done to improve this device or make it more feasible? Or
A couple things we might do is we would include all the devices inside the actual
Base of
oh,
the
so the
base.
sensors are not jutting
exactly,
out.
so they're not protruding,
Okay.
and we would waterproof it, and probably just use a little bit more high quality motors and
Yeah, because
things
this
like
is
that.
just a prototype.
Exactly.
But in the real world, you could make it more robust.
Exactly.
So I think that's a very good project, and congratulations on building something.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.